we have an art show. Hey, this is Sandy.
We are a show
Run by Art Mama Moves Art Gallery.
We're an online art gallery featuring the best of the art from Fort Lauderdale and beyond.
We have artists from as far as Nigeria.
By art. We're so happy to present today's show. Today we'll have Sandy Wissinger, Crystal Jadon showing you what she's been up to, the worlds that she's been creating. Check out her art online at artmamamoves.com. We have Frances Salbare, an amazing painting that she's going to talk about today.
And we have some music in between. You'll have to guess who it is.
If you come up with a logo for 100 Mondays, it can say 100 Mondays. You get a free chicken dinner, and if you're a vegan, we'll get you a free vegan chicken dinner. So,
Graphic artists, enter the contest. Send your submission to artmamamoves@gmail.com. This is Sandy from the Coven, currently running 100 Mondaze Weekly Show on YouTube.
be sure to subscribe to 100 Mondaze Weekly Show on YouTube. Be sure to press the bell so you can get all of our notifications every week. Buy art on artmamamoves.com.